Hey, and welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. Today we have a 2000 GMC that has come to the end of its life. It's a small scratch there. What it does have is a great running 4.8 motor, mid mileage, I think it's about 148,000, which is nothing for these LS motors. Iron block, aluminum head. Let's go inside. Very easy to get inside. There it is. It's not all the way up to temp. It's got a coolant leak, so we'll do this quick. There's the mileage coming in at 142,728. And the oil pressure is just above 40, about 45 pounds. Great. Very responsive motor. So if you're looking for a replacement motor for your Chevy or a standalone package for your project, give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks. Our number is 457-5500. Thanks.